Hey guys, Terrence here, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway Street, 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Getting ready for that the ugly sweater contest. Still waiting for you great participants to be involved. All you have to do is come into Computers Plus in your ugly sweater, and we're gonna pick who the winner is. First place, an Apple product. Second place, a Windows product. Third place, an Android tablet. Tablet, I just let one go, okay? So you're getting a tablet if you're in third place. First and second, it's going to be an awesome prize. Make sure you guys come from now until the end of Christmas to be part of this great contest that we're having, not only here in Acworth, but we're also having it in Carsville. So if my Carsville people is looking to this podcast, hey, you better go to the store. We open up at 10 o'clock. Come in your ugly sweater. You probably guys saw me last week when I was in my I put together this really eclectic, techie type of Christmas sweater that had all these different parts of computers, and it was just, you can make it homemade. I think someone said, hey, can I make it homemade? Exactly. You can even make it home, so you don't gotta go out there and spend a lot of money to be a part of this great contest. All you gotta do is come with an ugly sweater, and you know what? You might just win. Now, let's get back to my blog. The blog that we posted on December 6th, I've been getting a lot of information about that. Yes, the Cirrus Connect does have a security flaw. All a bad actor has to do is get your VIN number, and then if you have a Nissan, a Honda, and I believe it was a Acura. Yes, I'm Acura. You could be a victim of this. So please do not give out your VIN number to your car. That's what happens in technology. When we start integrating computers more with our vehicles, we get more flaws, more risk. And Computers Plus is working on being able to give you the information to keep yourself safe. So please, if someone calls you and says, hey, I'm from the Nissan company, or I'm from the Toyota company, and I need to verify your VIN number, what's your VIN number? Do just hang up. Do not give them that information. That VIN number is tied to your car, and that type of malicious software can start your car, can actually shut off your car, can do so many things that people just don't realize. Eventually, you're gonna be able to drive. Someone's gonna give out the wrong information, and then the car is just gonna drive off their lot. So please be careful about the information you give to people over the phone, trying to look out for you. The only people that are looking out for you is yourself and Computers Plus here. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. Hope to see you guys soon.